Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to take the screenshot of the directory of how much files are there plus the sizes of each file. So let's suppose we have a directory right here. We want to take the screenshot of this directory of how many files are present inside this. So I will just write a simple Python script for this purpose. As soon as you execute the Python script, it will analyze it will take the screenshot of this folder, and inside a tabular structure it will show how many files are present in this. So let me just run this Python script. As you will see, it will take the screenshot and it will save this as a PNG file. If I try to see this, you will see it will list out all the files which are present in the directory. It will save it as a image file. We have different files here. So you can see that it is also showing the size of each file in megabytes, as you can see. So if you want to take the screenshot of the directory of how many files are present, just modify it. So we are just asking this script from ChatGPT, and it is giving me the modify script here, which will also include the folders names as well as the file names. It will also include the folders as well, which is given inside. So with this modification, the folder name will also be present. So let me just execute this updated script, and I paste, and if I run this Python script, so what you will see again, it will create this, and you will see this time it will also include the folder name as well. It will say it's a directory. So this will actually take the screenshot of this directory to analyze how many files are present. So in a tabular structure. So you can see that. So in this way, you can adjust this if you want to show the size in kilobyte instead of megabyte. So what you can do, I want to show size in kilobyte. So just ask this, and ChatGPT based upon that will modify the script, which will actually now show the size in kilobyte. So in this easy way, you can use ChatGPT. So I have given this script, this modified script, in the description of the video. You can go to my website and copy paste the script. If you run this now, and now if you see, the sizes will be in kilobyte. If you see, so in this way, now let me show you the output script here. For this we are using a very special package which is called as Matplotlib, which is a very important package inside Python. So we are using this package Matplotlib, and then we are passing this collect files with sizes. We are passing the directory name, then the items list, and then defining the empty array right here inside tribe. We are scanning this directory for each file. We are checking if it's a file or not. Then we are calculating the size in kilobyte, appending this inside this table. Then we are showing this table using the append method, and then we are saving this file list as an image file For saving this as an image file, you're using the image maxplot library. You can see that. So thank you very much for watching this video. I was using this package here, Matplotlib. It's a very famous package here. Command is simple. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.